Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM from Ruin to Refresh. PJ here, and in this episode we're going to be doing another DMC challenge, and it's our NE64 scale challenge, and I'm going to be doing a Batmobile, and it's a 1992 DC Comics ERTL Batmobile based on the 1989 Michael Keaton Batman film. So it's not going to be too difficult, I hope, this one. It's just a case of cutting it to pieces, paint it black, put it together, and replace the Bat logo. I may put a yellow one on instead of the white one. We'll see. So let's get the tools out, get it apart, and see what we can do with this one. And I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. Welcome back, folks, to the reveal of the 1992 ERTL Batmobile from DC Comics. This model, of course, was based on the Michael Keaton 1989 Batman movie, still one of the best in my humble opinion. So what did we do with this one? Well, the base was made of plastic, so there was not a lot to do there. The only thing that I needed to do with the axles and wheels was to paint the hubs, so I've highlighted them with some silver paint. And of course we've added some definition to the brakes, indicators, reversing lights, if that's what they even are. Who knows? Who knows whether the Batmobile was legal to drive on the road? But there you go, we'll never know. And then we've added a new Bat logo, but I've gone for a yellow version. I just think it pops out a little bit more. And that's about it, really. Fairly simple little model, this one. Not too complicated, not too convoluted. And this is our entry into the DMC NE64 scale vehicle. Coming up next month, it's any Land Rover in August. And then in September, we have got our annual charity event, which is the Paint It Blue challenge. So basically, any vehicle, any model, paint it blue. That's basically all the rules there are. But we also have a Just Giving page, so that if you would like to donate to the Alzheimer's Society, there'll be links coming up in the very near future. And don't forget, you can always find us online on the DMC YouTube channel every fortnight now. We're doing topic talks, and occasionally we have a guest join us. So that's myself, Martin Dare, Laszlo Collectibles, and Diecast Outlaws. So me, Martin, Laz, and Luke. So that's me for this one. I'll be back soon enough with a Jerry Anderson special, I hope. So until then, this is PJ signing off, and I'll catch you soon. Cheers.